I now want to touch on reading time. In my experiences, students don't understand the importance of reading time, and it is so important. Most students spend their reading time looking through the examination, with no real method or purpose. What they choose to do instead is look at the length of the questions, and more commonly start reading the questions from the short answer section. Now, the problem with this is that when the writing time starts, students will forget almost everything that they processed in that reading time. Your brain can only hold so much information in a short period of time, and given the stressful nature of examinations, memory can be impeded significantly. So what we're going to do here is form a method you will use in your biology exams, all the practice exams and the final exam. For VCE, we'll break the reading time into two parts. The first part is no more than 5 minutes in length. Your aim in this time is to flick through section B and identify the concept that the question is related to. You will obviously be more confident with some concepts over others, and in this way, you'll be able to note which questions you'll attempt first. The primary aim of these first 5 minutes is to become familiar with the context of questions, taking a macro view of the examination and scanning questions, rather than wasting your time zoning in on the intricacies of those questions. Leave that for when you arrive at section B. The second part is 10 minutes in length. You will spend this time trying to answer as many multiple choice questions as you can. Some of the multiple choice questions will be gimmies, while others will be actually quite difficult. But if you can answer 7 MCQs in this time, you've already got 7 marks. That means coming into writing time, you will only have to answer 103 more marks in the allotted 150 minutes. Essentially, you're ahead of the game. And that extra time you yield may be invaluable come section B, where you will need to critically analyse and dissect questions and articulate a concise answer in the process. You will also gain a psychological edge in your examination, as you will gain confidence from answering questions, which is equally as important. In approaching reading time with more direction, you'll be more productive and therefore maximise your chances of getting top marks.